We're working on a no start issue on this 1988 Volvo 740. It's been sitting for about 2 decades, so, you know, it shouldn't just fire right up. If it did, that would be weird. So we went through a couple things, we're looking at it, and here's what the tech had to say.
Alright, so here we have, I believe it's a 1987 or 1988 Volvo 740 turbo wagon. It's got a no crank, no start currently. I've checked the neutral safety switch. The neutral safety switch is working. The ballast resistor, it's clicking and the car is not turning on. I've checked it. It has a good ground on both sides of the relay and good hot. So I don't believe it's a ballast resistor. Or not the ballast resistor, but the not the radio suppression relay. So I'm going to ohm out the radio suppression relay to make sure.